Have you ever wondered how small habits can significantly influence our sexual health and well-being? Today, I want to invite you to reflect on a fascinating and, although often surrounded by taboos, highly relevant topic: the connection between masturbation and prostate health, especially in mature men. Stay with me, because in this talk, we will explore how this practice, as natural as breathing, can impact not only your physical health, but also your emotional, sexual, and even your longevity. The prostate, that small, walnut-shaped organ just below the bladder, plays a central role in male sexual health. It produces prostatic fluid, an essential component of semen, and plays a crucial role in fertility. However, over time, this organ can become vulnerable to a variety of conditions, from inflammation to more serious diseases, such as prostate cancer. The interesting thing here is that masturbation could be a key tool in keeping the health of this organ in optimal condition. Imagine for a moment that your prostate is like a small engine. Like any engine, it needs to be kept active to function properly. If it is not used regularly, the fluids it produces can build up and stagnate, creating an environment conducive to inflammation or abnormal cell growth. Recent studies, such as the one from Harvard University, have shown that ejaculating at least 21 times a month can significantly reduce the risk of developing prostate cancer. This is because ejaculation allows toxins and potentially harmful agents to be flushed out of the system, acting as a natural cleansing mechanism. This doesn't mean you should obsess about reaching an exact number of ejaculations per month. Instead, think of it as part of a self-care routine, as important as eating healthy or exercising. Let's talk about it in detail. Ejaculation, whether through masturbation or intercourse, stimulates blood circulation in the pelvic area. This constant flow of oxygen and nutrient-rich blood not only helps maintain prostate health, but also improves the quality of erections and prevents erectile dysfunction. With age, it is common for blood flow to this area to decrease, which can lead to a feeling of heaviness or discomfort. However, regular practice can counteract these effects by keeping the region active and well irrigated. Now, what about the emotional and psychological impact? This is where this topic gets even more interesting. For many men, especially those in middle age, masturbation is still a topic surrounded by taboos, shame, or even guilt. But let me tell you something important. Taking care of your sexual health is not only normal, but essential. Recognizing and accepting masturbation as a legitimate form of self-care can release unnecessary emotional burdens and open the door to a more positive relationship with yourself. Masturbation is also a powerful tool for managing stress. We live in a fast-paced world, full of responsibilities, demands, and often worries that exhaust us. In these cases, a moment of intimacy with yourself can be an effective way to release tension, calm the mind, and reconnect with your body. Doing so releases endorphins, those wonderful feel-good hormones that reduce stress and promote a positive mood. Also, let's not forget that masturbation can be a way to explore and rediscover our sexuality. As we age, our bodies change, and what we found pleasurable in the past may not be pleasurable now. This act allows you to understand how your body responds at different stages of life, helping you to maintain a full and satisfying sex life. Take the case of Roberto, a 58-year-old man who began experiencing urinary discomfort and a decline in his libido. After researching and consulting a specialist, he decided to include masturbation in his self-care routine. "It was like rediscovering myself," said Roberto. "Not only did it help alleviate my physical symptoms, but it also improved my confidence and my relationship with my partner." But not everything is rosy, and this is where the importance of balance comes in. Like everything in life, too much can be counterproductive. While masturbation has clear benefits, turning it into a compulsive habit can interfere with your relationships, your work, and other important areas of your life. The key is to find a balance that works for you, where you can enjoy its benefits without it becoming a burden. Last but not least, it's critical to talk about this topic openly. For too long, masturbation has been seen as a forbidden topic, especially among older men. However, breaking these taboos is crucial to improving our health and quality of life. Talking about it with friends, partners, or even a healthcare professional can be an important step towards greater acceptance and understanding. But the benefits are not just limited to the prostate. It has also been proven that masturbation can improve sperm quality. Men who masturbate regularly tend to have better semen quality compared to those who abstain. The reason is that regular ejaculation stimulates the production of fresh, healthy sperm. So, if you've ever worried about your fertility, you should know that masturbation can be a way to keep your reproductive system in shape. On a physical level, masturbation is excellent for improving blood circulation. Sexual arousal increases blood flow to the genitals, which can help keep the circulatory system in shape. In addition, by releasing endorphins, masturbation can also improve mood and reduce stress. It's like a little dose of instant bliss that doesn't require a prescription. When you masturbate, your brain releases endorphins, the same chemicals that are released when you exercise or experience a sense of well-being. And it's not just a momentary sense of well-being. In the long term, these endorphins can help reduce anxiety and depression, which improves overall emotional health. Now, did you know that masturbation can also have a positive effect on the quality of sexual relationships? Although it may sound counterintuitive, studies have shown that men who masturbate regularly have better sexual function in their intimate relationships. This is because they are more aware of their bodies, their desires, and what they like, which allows them to be more aware of what they need to enjoy a fulfilling sexual relationship. In addition, masturbation can improve penile health by helping to maintain blood flow and tissue elasticity, which can help prevent problems such as erectile dysfunction. On the other hand, one of the lesser-known benefits of masturbation is that it can help improve sleep quality. This is because after ejaculation, the body releases oxytocin and prolactin, two hormones that induce relaxation and sleep. So if you've ever had trouble falling asleep, a little self-care might be just what you need to get a better night's rest. But what about mental health? Well, it turns out that masturbation also has a positive impact on mental health. It has been shown to reduce levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, and can help you release pent-up tension. Through masturbation, you can experience a sense of control over your body, which increases your self-confidence. This is especially useful when it comes to overcoming anxieties related to sexual performance or self-esteem. And finally, a fun fact that might surprise you. Masturbation not only has physical and emotional benefits, but it can also be helpful for creativity. Some studies have shown that creativity levels may increase after masturbation, possibly because relaxation and increased dopamine may activate areas of the brain associated with innovation and creative thinking. So why is there so much stigma surrounding masturbation? When we look at it from a scientific and health perspective, masturbation turns out to be a personal wellness tool and a natural act that has multiple benefits. Not only does it help maintain our physical and mental health, but it also contributes to improving our sex life, our relationships, and of course, our self-esteem. So the next time you feel guilty or uncomfortable about masturbating, remember that it is not a vice or something to be ashamed of. It's actually an act of self-care that, if practiced in a healthy way, can have a very positive impact on your life. And if you ever wonder if it should be part of your routine, remember that much of the research supports the idea that, in moderation, masturbation is as natural as any other behavior that helps your overall well-being. I hope this talk has helped you see masturbation in a new light. Remember, the key is balance and listening to your own body. And if you found this topic interesting, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, where we continue to explore fascinating topics like this and many more. See you next time.